If you've got a 2018 or newer JL Wrangler, today we're going to be checking out these Fox Performance Shocks fitting a 1.5 to 3.5 inch lift kit for your brand new Jeep JL. Now, one of the biggest things I love about Fox Shocks is that they give you a superior ride quality over the factory suspension, and Jeep actually includes this type of shock in their factory Mopar lifts. The brand new Gladiator also includes on the Rubicon model a Fox design specific shock right off the factory floor, so you know if they're designing the factory shocks, they are definitely one of the best in the game. Now, these Fox shocks I have laid out here feature a smooth body, and they'll work for an 1.5 to 3.5 inch lift kit. I've got the rear sitting here, and you can see the body has an extended length, meaning that you're going to get flex out of these and still not bind up the shaft down here. The fronts are on this side, and you can see the body length is a little bit shorter. However, these are designed perfectly for the 1.5 to 3.5 inch lift setup. Now, if you want to install these shocks, we offer them just as a front pair, just as a rear pair, or an entire kit right here at CJ's. These are going to install really simply using the factory hardware, both upper and lower, requiring no modifications to your brand new JL Wrangler. Like I said before, Fox is one of the biggest names in the off-road world, and being able to throw a set of these on from the factory onto your Jeep JL is going to give you an increased ride quality as well as a better look. These Fox shocks are available, as well as many other great suspension components, as well as lift kits to get you up in the air to be able to utilize these right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.